Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with you a new video and you guessed it right. This is from very recent upload and it's the detailed video of the shot. So basically trying to get a French vintage hat look. So yes, let me tell you, first I'm not at all a professional makeup artist. I just love doing makeup myself and I try to explore the various look which I dream I should have that one. I know there are only few subscribers in my channel. People may think what she is doing. However, let me tell you one thing. I love doing makeup and if me non-professional who was once doesn't know where these products get applies and if you are also among them, then this channel is for you. You won't have to know how you should hold your makeup brushes and how much foundation and concealer will apply. Instead of that, I would suggest till the time you feel fine with it, just go apply little by little at a time. After all, it's your makeup product, so it's up to you how you will get this. So, yes, I have already done my primer and foundation and moisturizer. Now I am doing my eyebrows. Make sure that you are doing this eyebrows in a straight line so that it will give you a fresh look. And here I am applying Hilary Lotta's eyebrows pencil and which give me a fine look and it's in a budget, so I would request you can go ahead and check out this look. And then I'm contouring my nose where I'll be contouring my eye area and the nose area both. So you can take any eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, or if you have concealer stick or if you have contour stick, you can take that and then brush it off. I'm brushing it off like the way you can do that to achieve a good edgy nose and tippy nose. Yes. And then I'm applying any pink or red eyeshadow. You can take it to make it a rose red eyeshadow and apply a little bit on both of your eyes the way I am doing so. Yes, and you don't have to know whether how the brush should be hold or something like that. You can take it in any way as you want it. So yes, and then I'm applying white eyeshadow or white, if you have white highlighter you can put over there to get that look. So I have applied on both area of my eyes here, and then take any pink or take any peachy eyeshadow and put it there inside of the lower eyelashes circle area. Yes, to make it that I have applied any, take any brown eyeshadow and apply the same the way I have applied. And then I'm applying here a little bit of highlighter to give it a good look on that. And then you can take any blush. I'm applying here powder blush which is in pink and peach color, both combination, because I like mixing those and then applying it, and apply in the same way that I am applying it. And then take a eyeliner. I am thinking of buying a pen liner. I have for now this one, so I'm going with this. If you have pencil liner you can apply with that. That also gives a perfect wing, and if you are a beginner that will be helpful for you. And I have done on both my eyes. And take any brown eyeshadow and stretch it down to the wing where you have applied it the way I'm applying it to get a big and bold eye. So you can do that. And you can take any brown eyeshadow the way I have taken it, or if you have brown brow pencil, if you have brown brow liner you can apply also that. So basically we are trying to achieve a bold eye which is a wing one, and which give you a some kind of animated like anime eyes. So and I'm trying to create a fake eyelashes, lower lashes with the liner, and it gives you a Bambi look, or it gives you a kind of a, you can say, anime look. So yes, you can try with this. And then apply a little bit of highlighter to both of your cheek area, to the temple of your cheek. And then make sure that you are curving your eyelashes before applying any mascara so that you can get it good lashes. And yes, I would also suggest go for without eyelashes and without lenses, because real is more beautiful, I suggest and I believe. So I'm not applying here any lenses or any kind of eyelashes. So you can apply with the same, because sometimes we don't have that kind of product at home to apply it. So I would suggest whether you can apply it without it and see the results, and you can apply this makeup and you can live for at least 24 hours without lashes and without lenses. So yes, to make a fuller lip, you can apply first concealer the way I have applied it, and then make a lip liner and go for any light pink shade the way I am going. And then you can apply a little bit of red in the between of the lips to get the ombre lips. And then I'm putting here any lip care or any lip balm, because I have lost my lip gloss. So if you have lip gloss, you can use that. And then at last I'm applying highlighter here to my nose area, and then over the cheek area. You need to highlight that area, yes, the chin area and the forehead area too. And it's up to you how you want to add it. So yes, this was this, and here I have tried to show you the vintage French look. Yes, you, if you wish, you can try and you can add more spice to it by yourself by adding it some little bit more extra blush and little bit of contouring in the way you want to do it. So yes, with few products I always want to show you, you can also get achieve that those kind of look which is not Indian basically, but yes, it will give you to some extent. If you like my content, please make sure that you press the bell icon and subscribe my channel, so that I can bring you some more videos, and let's grow together, and your one subscription matters to me. So yes, thank you. We will meet in the next video. For till that, take care of yourself, buy some affordable products, and try doing makeup of yourself, pretty ladies. Bye bye.